Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to disable LinkedIn's use of your data for research purposes. This is an important step to take if you want to maintain control over your personal information. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically displays your profile picture. After tapping on the Me icon, you will see a menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to Data Privacy. In this section, you'll find several options related to how LinkedIn uses your data. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Social, Economic, and Workplace Research. This is where LinkedIn may share your data with third-party partners for research purposes. Once you've located this option, tap on it to enter the settings for data sharing. You will see a toggle switch that indicates whether LinkedIn is currently allowed to use your data for research. If this toggle is set to Yes, it means your data is being shared. Now, to disable this feature, simply switch the toggle to No. This action will prevent LinkedIn from using your data for any social, economic, or workplace research activities moving forward. It's crucial to regularly check these settings as platforms like LinkedIn often update their policies and privacy settings without explicit notifications. By following these steps, you can ensure that your personal information remains private and that you have control over how it is used. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also want to protect their data on LinkedIn. Stay informed and take charge of your online privacy.